All right, guys, if you're tuning
New
in, I'm
information.
still
This
setting
severe
up real
thunderstorm
quick.
warning has been updated.
So just give me a second, and I'll get this thing, make sure my chat is
Attention, a
up.
new special weather statement has been
We
issued.
do have storm chasers in the area. I think we got one down in Ryan shows down by Perryville, but we've
New
got several
information.
storm
This
chasers
severe thunderstorm warning
in
has
the
been
area,
updated.
and they're parked along I-55 all the way down to Jackson.
New
And St.
information.
Louis region
This
area.
severe thunderstorm warning
So
has
we are
been
going to keep an
updated.
eye on this when things start to boil up in and around Chester. But for a second, I'm going to make sure my chat is up and make sure we are good to go. All right, guys, if you're this when things start to boil up in and around Chester, but for a second, I'm going to make sure my chat is up and make sure we are good to go. Right, my chat is up on Facebook. Now we are going to and we are going to and we are going to
Attention, a new flash flood warning has been issued.
and we are going to
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
second. Okay, we got hey, hello Angie. I'm getting get started here.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
All right, my chat is up. And we'll take a look on a few things around here. Let me downsize a
Attention,
few
a new
things.
special weather statement has been issued.
So we got right now a couple tornado warnings up and around Mexico, Missouri, Bowling Green area. Look like a little bit of a hook echo. We're going to check the velocity. So we do have a little bit of rotation around Ladonia, just east of Rush Hill, headed north to Vandalia and Bowling Green in Missouri. Next one is in Mexico, and there's just a very small rotation there. I wouldn't be surprised if this one expires sometime soon. Other than that, we got several severe thunderstorm warnings. Let's go ahead and put the reflectivity up real quick.
Attention, a new special
In
weather
and
statement
around
has been
Columbia
issued.
with half-dollar size hail, all up and down. Quarter
New
size hail
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been
in
updated.
and around Fulton, Columbia, Missouri. And we get up here into Illinois around Hannibal, Berry, New Canton, Payson. You're talking quarter size hail, severe thunderstorm warning. If we get over here near Edwardsville, just north of Edwardsville, around Staunton, I believe, Bunker Hill, you're talking quarter size hail. It says tornado possible thunderstorm. That can mean anything. Let me go ahead and take a look at the velocity. Ain't seen much there. We do have somebody that is down there looking at that storm. But this is around Staunton. and we got several people. We got Connor Croft down there, and he's looking at this storm and around Staunton. So we are going to be watching the area up and down from St. Louis to Southern Illinois for a little while. Hey, Jeff Rickelman, I forgot to put my alert on my sound. That way it'll read it to me. Yeah, I guess you guys are ready for this storm to come through. But look at that. Look at the clouds right there. And that is Connor Croft. And that is just south of Midway is where he is at, Holiday Shores. We'll go ahead and put the reflectivity up. But he's looking at this storm here around Bunker Hill. So we are going to wait and see these things fire up in the afternoon around 6 in and around Chester area, Perryville, St. Genevieve. Really quick, I'm going to put pivotal weather on, and we're going to take a look at what we got going on. Make sure it's on. Okay, it's not. So give me a second and get it on there. There we go. Give me a second.
Jeff Richelman
Right.
says, I guess. I'm counting on you to keep me safe.
Yeah, I'll keep you safe, Jeff. I'm glad I got this because it'll read your comments to me. So I got this set up where I've got Social Stream Media that actually puts both chats into one little box off to the side, and I can get it where it'll alert and read it to me. Because if not, I'm looking at radars and I won't see it. But yeah, I'll try to keep you safe. So right now we are looking at pivotal weather, and we're going to get to the HRRR. That's the short-term forecast. Get to our area, our region. In Illinois. So this is what we are looking at for Chester. Let's get to the severe weather and make sure we get the latest run. We are going to go see what the 20. We're going to go with the 20Z run. And we are going to look at the severe weather and reflectivity and for around Chester and Perryville. So we were moving this forward. You see all that, all this right here. This is updraft Felicity. This is prime spot for tornadoes. And this is 6 p.m. And we got a little bit of updraft Felicity to the north of Chester and Perryville. A big one right here that you can see just above Randolph County. So these guys are going to be looking at, these storm chasers are going to be looking for discrete supercells, something that's off the line. But it looks like it's going to be hitting us around 8 o'clock. We got, like I said, a little bit of updraft Felicity, especially maybe close to Perryville. We can get to that where we can see it without all that stuff. So we do have all that light blue right there in and around Chester. In and around Perryville is all updraft Felicity. A little bit more to the north, but so that's what we're looking at. If we get to the tornado parameters, this is when it passes us. But we get in here in and around 8 o'clock. We are prime spot. We're up to 4.2 on tornado parameters, 5.3 if we get near 8 o'clock. Chester is at 5.8, probably around Perryville. Still high, 7.5 off to the southwest of Chester in Missouri. So if you see all this reds and these dark colors, this is all tornado parameter right here with up to 4s, 5s in the area. So what we're waiting for is the storms to fire up. And And we're going to look at the Cape values real quick. Right. My eyes are dried out. So we're looking at our Cape values right now. And what you're wanting with these storms is fuel. Well, this is the fuel. And these are very high Cape values. We're up into 3,000s, up in Perryville, probably up into 3,000s. So this is prime fuel for these storms to activate. And our SIN is well between 0 and 20. We're at 15 right here in Chester. And that's what you want. You want low SIN and very high Cape values. And we're seeing that right now at around 8 o'clock. So this is about our time. We don't, anything past 9 o'clock, it's gone up a little bit. So we're looking at 8 o'clock with the SIN values between 0 and 20. And the SINs are right now at 12, 17. And our Cape values are well into 3,000. And that's pretty high. A lot of fuel out there. Right now, you can see if you're looking outside right now, you're looking at some warm weather. It's breezy outside, broken clouds, but the temperature is 84, so it's heating up. We are going to look at the dew points real quick. And we're well in the 70s in the dew points. So the dew points are up at 8, and they start to go back down. But the dew points are there. The Cape, the storm fuel, the Cape, the updraft velocity is all in the area. Some places a little bit higher on the updraft velocity than others. So we got storm chasers in Chester. We've had them in Redbud, driving through because we got the bridge right here, and Perryville. We've had them in Redbud, Perryville, Chester, and we will take a look at that. Matter of fact, we've got one in looks like we're on St. Mary's. We do have a storm chaser. Looks like Ryan Croft, right there. That's I believe that's Ryan Croft or Ryan Show. I'm sorry. That's Ryan Show.
Raid Shadow Legends. That was the ad that popped up on my stream, guys.
He's going through.
Like it used to be
St. Mary's
I think early 20s.
Missouri. Other than that, we have one just north of on Route 3 near Redbud. We got Tornado TRX.
I also had to do this, right? Nice.
And we got several people all over. We got Freddie McKinney up in Belleville. We got one in Murfreesboro, all the way down to Scott City.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been
And
updated.
several in and around Dongola, Mill Creek in Illinois. So these guys are all over
New
the place.
information. This
And we
severe
will keep an
thunderstorm
eye on
warning has
that.
been updated.
We're starting to see some of these storms pop off just to the east of us, and that's what we're going to wait for. It's going to be a
Attention,
long,
a new
long night
special
for
weather
me.
statement has been issued.
We're talking, I'll be on here for at least another 4.5, 5 hours until this passes, and then I got to get to bed because I got to get up. But I wanted to focus on Chester area of Southern Illinois, and we'll see as nighttime goes down. We'll see how this unfolds. But we have several people, like I said, in Southern Illinois, even as far as
New
Poplar Bluff.
information. This severe
We've
thunderstorm
got a couple
warning has
guys
been updated.
there, and we've got them planted everywhere. We got quite a few up here in just north of Edwardsville. We got about 5 guys north of Edwardsville. So you can see that this is a prime spot where all these guys are at. And if I go to our tornado outlook, you can see we are now in the 15%. Anything where SIG 2, EF3, plus expected, or we're actually at 30% expected. So we got all these guys right here in our area. Anything in this hash mark could be a EF3 or possible if all the ingredients are there. But you can see if we pan out anywhere, we got from 2% from Rochester, Rochester or La Crosse, Winona, Rochester, and Minnesota, all the way down to Tyler, Texas. So this is going to be a very, very busy night for a lot of people, but our prime spot is right here. And if you look, we're right here.
Severe
We're right in the
thunderstorm
middle
warning
of
has
all
been
of this.
updated.
If we go ahead and take a look at our hail, since ain't nothing popping off quite just yet, we are in the hash mark. We are moderate, 30% risk for hail of 2 inches or plus. So make sure your cars
Attention,
are
a new
protected.
severe thunderstorm warning has been
And
issued.
again, we are in a bullseye for that in Chester, and we are going to get to our wind. And our wind risk, a 45% wind risk. So expect winds with straight line storms that come through. Just to give you a little schooling on this, I guess you could say. Let me get this off.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We get a line of storms coming through Chester or anywhere. The biggest threat is going to be your wind. You'll still have hail, you'll still have tornadoes, but they won't be near as intense. Now, if you get a discrete supercell, a storm off by itself, off the line, then you're talking long track tornadoes and very large
a
hail
new
up to
radar
baseball.
indicated tornado warning has been issued.
Or softball, as we call it, apple size. And I was watching a couple storm chasers yesterday in, I believe it was Oklahoma, and watched their windshield get knocked out. So these things happen. I think he is still, I think it might have been Connor Croft. We'll see if he's got his windshield still broke. No, it wasn't Connor Croft. I don't think it was Ryan Scholl. Unless he went to Safe Flight, and then he's got a new windshield. But some of these guys had their windshields broke out yesterday. The storm was humongous yesterday. If you woke up this morning, and let me get this up here real quick.
New information. This severe
Local
thunderstorm
storm
warning has
reports,
been
and let's
updated.
go back 12 hours. Yeah, we'll go back 24 hours. If you woke up this morning, St. Genevieve County, they told you guys to get ready. We had, and you're almost talking CD size, 2.5, 2 inches. A lot of reports in and around Farmington of 2-inch hail, 1.7, 1.5, 2.5. So this is nothing to mess with. And if you get that hail with 70-mile-an-hour winds, it's not good. Make sure you get your helmet on if you go outside. If you do have any pets that are outside, make sure you bring them in because it will kill your pets. So last night we had a few tornadoes in and around Independence in
New information.
Kansas,
This severe
and a couple
thunderstorm warning
around
has been updated.
Bartlesville and Oklahoma. If we get here, we have a few tree down, several tree limbs down. I watched 2 tornadoes yesterday, and they weren't a satellite. They were actually 2 separate tornadoes side by side. They were small, but they took out power lines. But we had several reports of tornadoes in and around the southeast part of Kansas.
Benjamin Narab says, Put your helmet on LMAO.
Yeah, put your helmet on if you're going to go outside. I wear my helmet anyways. But this is what we're looking at. We do have 2 tornado warnings right now. One around California, Jefferson City in Missouri. We'll go ahead and take a look at the velocities.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
And it's really hard to say. It's radar indicated, but we have golf ball size hail. Get your helmet on, Benjamin. It's coming. Yeah, if we get in here around Bowling Green, you see a little bit around Curryville. There's a little bit of a rotation. This is radar indicated, and we got quarter size hail there.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We'll get the reflectivity on. We got several in Indiana too. We got several severe thunderstorm warnings in Indiana around Scottsburg, Madison, and Vernon. And then over here in Washington, in Indiana. And then we get in here to the around Mount Carmel in Illinois. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning right there. And this one has ping pong ball size hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds going northeast, moving at, oh my gosh, it's moving northeast at 69 knots. To put that in perspective, and I got to get my calculator out, 69, we're talking 70-mile-an-hour winds at least. Let me get to that real quick. Get my calculator out. I believe it's 70, maybe 72, 75 miles per hour. We're looking at 69 knots, 79 miles per hour is how fast this storm is moving. So these are fast-moving storms.
Attention,
Last
a
night,
new radar
we watched a
indicated
big
tornado warning has been issued.
mothership severe thunderstorm that was only moving 15 knots. This one is moving at 79 miles per hour. So we're looking around. You see a few cells that are popping up just a little bit. Let me make sure we are on our St. Louis radar. We got a few little storms popping up in and around St. Louis. But what these storm chasers are going to be looking at is discrete supercells that are off by themselves. We do have one, look like one guy just headed right towards Chester, Illinois. He's about to hit the bridge.
Storm
This
that
is Ryan Scholl.
is worth chasing as
We'll
much
take
as
a look
possible.
at him.
So.
But you can see the bridge right there. This is Ryan Scholl.
There is the
storm
potential
chaser.
that we just don't see anything today.
I bet something will happen.
Yeah, we
We've
hope
got to
we
be
can see
patient. And
nothing.
that's why I was like, let's go sit near the river, find a cool
Okay,
spot
this
to
is the
sit
guy
that's a
that had his
scenic view.
windshield busted out
And we can
yesterday.
look over everything once again that I've already looked over like a billion
And you can
times.
see the dents on it. Well, you can't see it, but I can. But he had
But I will
dents.
say, I'm kind of glad
Right there on his,
the environment's not being realized.
Hood,
as
so he
much
must have
as
went
it
to save
could
it. Got his window fixed.
Attention, a new flash flood
But he
warning
just
has been
passed the
issued.
gas station right here in Chester. This is Ryan Scholl.
See, yeah, we have seen the road today. That is the best part. We are thankful enough to see the road today. Sometimes it's covered in too much hail, we can't see the road. Horse Island Shoot.
Huh.
Interesting. Whoa, that is gorgeous. Oh, whoa. Going over a bridge?
Scary.
Holy crap.
He's getting ready to cross our old bridge.
It's the Mississippi River. That is pretty darn scary. Dude, look at all the swallows. Are there those cliff?
I don't know.
New information.
Chad, it's the Mississippi
This severe
River.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
If I got this right.
Big time Mississippi River intercept right now.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
I'm gonna mute him.
Didn't have
Okay,
bridge
so we
pillars
got,
in our way, but that's kind of how the bridge is standing. So
so this is he's going over Chester Bridge right now. So this is when the storm
New
chaser.
information, this severe thunderstorm warning
Hopefully
has
by
been
next
updated.
year, if he's traveling in this area, he'll be going over the new bridge.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
But you can see we've had a lot of tornadoes, a lot of damage up here in and around Kansas City. A lot of storm reports, power lines down. And this was all today, about 7 this morning, 7:28 this morning. Large tree limbs broken. So you're talking 79-mile-an-hour moving storms. We are up to 3 tornado warnings, one around Quincy, radar indicated. Let's take a look at the velocity. It's really hard to see.
New information, this severe thunderstorm
I
warning
would
has
say
been
that
updated.
it is around Marblehead. You see the greens and the reds. That'd be a little bit of a rotation right there. Green going towards the radar and red going away from the radar. And if we get down to this one, you can see right there the yellow and red going away around Curryville.
New information,
And a little
this
dip
severe
right there.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
There's some rotation with this particular storm. We get down here to Jefferson City, and I would say right here near E, doesn't look like a whole lot is there. It may have just changed. Let's take a look at the velocities on this one. Really hard to tell. Maybe right there at the bottom is this around Latham. You got this little dip right there. I'm going to get our storm reports.
New information,
for the
this
next
severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
3 hours, I say. It's in the last 3 hours. So, within the last 3
a new
hours and around
considerable
Troy,
severe thunderstorm
Missouri,
warning has been issued.
power lines down around Ethlin Road. Again, we are waiting for these storms to hit us, and it'd be around 8 to 9 is what we looked at. I will check pivotal weather here when it updates again. But just north of Chester, I would say
New information, this severe thunderstorm
Waterloo
warning has
area,
been updated.
just maybe Redbud. That is looking pretty bad right now as far as later on. You can see right there, there's a lot of updraft helicity, so that's something that we'll watch. We do have a storm chaser right there, and that is this guy right here.
Attention, a new tornado watch has been issued.
Right here. Let me get a different color. Let's go with bright yellow.
Attention, a
So
new
we have a
tornado
storm
watch has
chaser
been
right
issued.
here. And if we switch, and let me erase that and switch to pivotal weather. This is the updraft helicity, right here. So we do have a storm chaser right there in that area. Although it's in a line, we'll have to check that out when we get close to that time. And this is right about 8 o'clock before it gets to Chester. So if you're north of Randolph County, like I said, and that may change, we're still a few hours away. But we do have Ryan Scholl, and he stopped at Popeye statue. So this is him right now. This is one of the storm chasers that are out there. Like I said, we are waiting for this. He just got off, or he's lost his connection. There he is.
Maybe? I actually check. Are they? Check.
So this Ryan Scholl, and they made
Oh my gosh.
and
Okay.
we're open. And he's at the Popeye statue.
Just gonna use the bathroom real quick. And go back to our vehicle here. Look at this beauty. Yeah.
And he's got that thing wired up.
I don't know if we're
to
gonna
go.
get moving here or what, but at least figure it out. I just don't know what to think about today right now, you know? I have to wait for Gabby to come back out, so
So these guys are
give it a little bit.
they're looking at all the data themselves. But like I said, we do have a storm chaser in Chester, Illinois. Let me put that back up.
So
Uh,
give it a little bit.
Put him off to the side here. But he's at the Popeye statue. If we look around,
New information. This severe thunderstorm
we've got
warning
this
has
one
been
parked
updated.
right here near Red Bud. See if he's driving or stationed.
New
And
information.
he's waiting.
This
So
severe
Tornado
thunderstorm warning has
TRX
been
is
updated.
waiting for that one spot with the updraft Felicity. So we have several people in the area. We've got them all the way down on Route 3 near past Crane, going to Grimsby, Sand Ridge area. Let's see what he is up to. I don't know which way he's going. Let's check with McMillan. So we were going to look
New
for Freddie
information.
McKinney and
This
see
severe
what he's got.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
I can find him. That's his dad, near Edwardsville. Okay, he's in St. Louis, so let's take a look.
Attention, a new
About
special
this
weather
guy,
statement
yeah,
has
tire.
been issued.
That guy just blew his tire right there. See,
Oh man.
that just happened. Left
Attention,
tire.
a new radar indicated
That's
tornado warning has
that's
been
not
issued.
good.
Happened to us the other day.
Yep, that happened to us the other day. Yep, that's a dangerous spot to pull off too. Just right on the left shoulder in St. Louis.
Act like that's dangerous or something.
He doesn't have much of an option.
No.
Well, I mean, part of me is like,
So that's Freddie McKinney, and it
Attention,
looked like
a new
he's
special weather statement has
looks like
been
he's
issued.
headed north. So he's going to follow some of these storms as they come in. We also got Connor Croft up in around St. Louis. Looked like he's crossing the river up north. Let's see what he's got.
on where?
Lynn?
West one or the south one, I think. Westphalia.
So you guys are tuning in, and I think I've got, we get it up here.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
So right now it's broken clouds, it's 83. It feels like it's 86. We got that humidity at 64 here in Chester, and the winds are at 27 miles per hour. Forgot what I had as far as the temps for tomorrow, but I also got that posted on Facebook. So we're looking at a high of 67 and a low of 53. Mostly sunny, and then by the afternoon, later afternoon, we're going to have some showers probably to about 4 or 5 in the morning. Probably starting around 6 p.m. tomorrow, running to about 4 a.m. And we could take a look. Well, I'll take a look real quick while we're here. And we'll have showers between 8 and 12 in and around our area, but we're looking at Tuesday, starting probably around 5 p.m. tomorrow and going to about 4 a.m. on Wednesday, and then we should be okay. Then it looks good the rest of the week. So if you needed some rain, you're going to get it today and tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be basically late afternoon into the morning, early morning. So that's what we got as far as that. We are still up to 4 tornado warnings. We will take a look at that. Radar indicated a little bit of a bow in there. Let me check that on velocity and around Bowling Green.
Valerie Webb says, as far as severe weather, Chester is in the clear, right?
Right now we are. Yeah, so Valerie, if we are looking at, as of right now, and I'm going to go ahead and take you back to Pivotal Weather, this is the latest run, and we are going to get something. So around 8 or 9 o'clock, we'll have storms roll through. There'll be a line of storms that come through. The tornado parameters, we're still in the tornado parameter, and the updraft Felicity look like a little bit north of Randolph County, but like I said, we're a few hours away, so things can change. We still got a few more runs. These runs on Pivotal Weather on HRRR update every hour, so we'll just have to wait and see. But as right now, north of Randolph County, you can see that updraft Felicity right there. That's what gives it the rotation, that updraft Felicity. And if we go to our Cape values, we're still in Chester. We got Cape values up to 3,000. Perryville, Missouri, 3,000, and our SINs are very low, between 0 and 20. So we are still prime for severe weather. But this is going to be moving through, and we'll have to wait and see. Like I said, we've got storm chasers just a little bit everywhere, from southeast Missouri to southern Illinois, in and around Chester, Redbud, and even up and around St. Louis. So we are not in the clear, if that's what you're asking. So as of right now, we're looking at the reflectivity, and I'll put that back on radar. we are clear right now.
Attention, a new
But you
special
see
weather
these line of
statement has
storms
been
start to
issued.
pop up as the day goes on. You'll see a lot of these storms to pop up, these discrete supercells, even around Springfield, Missouri, all the way up to Jefferson City, where we got a tornado warning. Bowling Green.
Valerie Webb says. Thank you.
You're welcome. So this is what we are going to be looking at, and these will move east. And like I said, we got the storm over here around the Chins and Washington, moving at 60 mile an hour. But some of these storms are moving at 67 knots, which is like 79 miles per hour. That's how fast the storms are moving. Not so much the
New
winds. The
information.
winds are at
This
60
severe
mile an hour.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So we can see it down here if we get to these different radars.
Attention,
These
a new
storms are
special
starting to
weather
pop
statement
off.
has been issued.
From Bentonville, Arkansas, going all the way up to Rushville, Illinois. We got all these storms popping off.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been
Yeah,
issued.
actually going all the way up to Chicago, we've got a line coming through. So this is this little cold front that's going to be
Attention, a new special weather
pushing
statement has
through,
been
and we
issued.
got all this moist air right now. So we just have to wait and see. So we got a new severe thunderstorm warning around Buffalo. We were going to take a look at that. We got $50 size hail, to include Pleasant Hope and Good Night, Chintown. These are some pretty awesome names. Red Top, March, Spring Grove, Schofield. I believe that's in Missouri. Yeah, just northeast of Missouri, halfway. Cloverdale, Cedar Ridge, Long Lane, Wall Street. All you guys are under this warning. This cell
Attention,
is
a new
moving.
radar indicated tornado warning has been issued.
Yeah, 60 mile an hour winds, but the cell is moving at 31 knots, so probably 34, 35 miles per hour is how fast the storm is going to move through. Actually, we got a new one around Ash Grove. This one's moving at 47 knots, so 48, 50 mile an hour. Let's see.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
452, 53 miles per hour is how fast that storm is moving. And you kind of need that to see how fast these things are going, and to put up the, I don't know how you call it, tone or something like that, if you will. And it's hard for me to do because if I can show you. We get in here and I can draw just like you guys do. You can put a cone up, as you can see, and as you get in there, it'll tell you the times that it'll hit. But you also got to know the miles per hour, so you click on that to see how fast these things are moving. But if I was to do that here,
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
see if I can do this. So, yeah. Yeah, so I can still do it, but if I do another one, it won't let me do it. So if you're in this storm right here, this particular one that's tornado warned, it'll give me the towns and what time to expect it to come. So that is good if you know the miles per hour and so of the cell and how fast it's moving.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
So we are up to 5 tornado warnings. We got a new one up here. Let's get a look at camp, near Camp Point. check out the velocities. And it's really hard to tell. When these things get too far from the radar, it's really hard to see the tight couplet. But I would say it's radar indicated. But if you're in Golden Prairie and Clayton, go ahead and take cover. Radar indicated 1-inch hail. We got a new severe thunderstorm warning up here, 60 mile an hour, quarter size hail, to include Beardstown, Virginia, Maridosia, Buff Springs, Aaronsville, and Concord in Illinois. Just
Attention, a new severe
east of
thunderstorm
Quincy.
warning has been issued.
We got one severe warning, quarter size hail, 60 mile an hour winds.
Attention, a new considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
It looked like it's this cell right here, around Anada.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
This one down here has got tennis ball size hail up to 2.5
New
inches.
information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
You can see a little bit of a cut right there. We can check out the velocity on this one. And you can see right there is where the rotation is. That light color and then the green. You got some rotation with this. Just around Elston, Claysville is headed your way. New Bloomfield, Lake Murky, or Mikey, Lake Mikey Town. And you see where the rotation is, and they just moved it over. So Claysville, if you're in this area, go ahead and take cover. And this is around Jefferson City, Missouri. You see all these cells starting to pop up over in the eastern part of Illinois, east of St. Louis. And apparently it's kind of, if you're just watching this, we've got a new warning, and I believe it's Indiana and one in new severe warning in Missouri. But these storm chasers are a little bit unsure where these are going to spark up as far as supercells, because they're all spread out. So it's a wide area. We got a new tornado warning, probably either updated. Radar indicated quarter size hail right here. If we check out the velocity, and it's really hard to see it in some of these storms, but you see the greens and the reds right there. It's radar indicated rotation, just around Bowling Green in Missouri, Bowling Green, Missouri. So if you're in this area, around Bowling
Attention,
Green,
a
go ahead
new
and take
severe
cover.
thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Still has some rotation, radar indicated, quarter size hail near Vandalia, Missouri, to include
Attention, a
Colleyville,
new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Farmer, Estes, Gazette, New Hartford. All you guys are in this warning. And winds are at 60 mile an
Attention,
hour.
a new radar
Yes.
indicated tornado warning has been issued.
Up and around Pittsfield, got a little bit of rotation just northeast of Louisiana. Missouri, I guess you could call it Atlas, Illinois. Also, you got a lot of cloud to ground lightning with these storms, but we are up to 5 tornado warnings extending from Jefferson City all the way up to just north of Mount Sterling, in and around Clayton, Camp Point, Golden, La Prairie, and Camden. I wouldn't be surprised if this one, and they're moving pretty fast, I wouldn't be surprised if this one expires. See if I can get a different radar reading on this one. Maybe a little bit right there. It's really hard to tell in a line of storms, a linear line of storms. So St. Louis, it looked like you went through it, and you're going to go through it again. We had the line of storms that went through and tornado warnings earlier, but you'll have another line come through. But you can see these little dots. We still have some storms firing up. And that is basically what all these guys are waiting for. Usually around 6 o'clock, we'll see a spike in severe weather and discrete supercells and tornado warnings. I don't call that the golden hour, but that's what we're looking forward to.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
I believe, I told you earlier, we had some hail off just to the west of St. Genevieve. And I think I heard it on the window here in Chester, Illinois, a couple clicks on the window. But we didn't get nothing like they did, the 2-inch and 1.5-inch hail. And I believe that would have been around Farmington. So we still got Storm Chaser parked at Chester, Ryan Scholl, and he's sitting on the river. We should go down there and have a talk with him. And I may do that. So I'll be right back, guys. While we're waiting, I'm going to go talk to him.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has
See
been
what
updated.
his outlook is.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new special marine warning has been issued. New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Okay, guys, I am back. I just got done talking to Ryan Scholl. He got his window replaced from some storm damage, from some hail, some pretty big hail. So if you go to Ryan Scholl's YouTube site and you want to donate, that helps keep these guys going, it keeps us safe, donate to him. And like I said, it costs them to replace those windshields and all the things that they do, gas, hotel rooms. So my site's free, but these guys could sure use some donations.
Sorry, I installed a woodpecker noise thing.
So this is Ryan Scholl. He is one of the storm chasers. He's sitting along the riverfront.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been
They're still a
updated.
little uncertain when these things will fire up. They're waiting for the line to come through, pick up. But you see we have...
Yeah, it's acting very weird.
You can see the severe thunderstorm warning all up and down this line right here that are starting to fire up.
Did you turn it up?
No.
And we've got...
What is going on with the AC,
Like
man?
I said, we got Ryan Scholl right here in Chester, and I just got done talking to him. Very uncertain right now when these things will go. They're waiting for this line to come to get some lift for these storms to fire.
Our AC's been really weird, guys. Is my car about to explode? Question.
So, like I said, if you guys are doing anything, and I normally don't ask, but if you want to donate to Ryan
It's being
Scholl,
so
go to
weird. I don't know if
his
you guys can hear it.
webpage and donate. I believe they do PayPal. I'm not sure. He just replaced his windshield from yesterday. They did get some sleep, so I'll look on here and see if where you could pay.
New information.
Oh, man,
This
day's
severe
going good.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
I will look on
It's like
here.
what my car was doing.
Dude, I have it turned all the way down right now. Sorry, I'm
Do you
gonna turn.
remember my car doing that?
No, I'm gonna turn it off for a second.
When we sat in my car one time, it was doing that.
I think I remember. So we're back there.
So if we get off this real quick while we're talking. I just, like I said, Ryan
Right now,
Scholl
it's,
sitting
like,
down
hardly
by
doing anything.
Chester Riverfront. I got to talk to him a little bit. So we do have another
New
tornado
information.
warning.
This
I have,
severe
like, no air
thunderstorm
coming out of
warning has been
Springfield.
updated.
That's not good. I have it on full blast, by the way.
You get to the velocities on this. And you see some rotation in there, the yellows and the reds. So there is rotation around Jacksonville, South Jacksonville. So it's radar indicated 3/4 inch hail. So if you're in this area, the rotation
Attention, a
is
new
around
radar
Linville
indicated tornado
and
warning
South
has
Jackson.
been issued.
So if you're in this area, go ahead and
What
take cover.
happened?
Better safe
I
than
don't
sorry.
Chat, my front AC is not working.
So like I
That
said,
works.
if you can, it's getting ready to move through South Jackson, Jacksonville.
If anything, we have that.
Uh,
So-
Just
Yeah, it's on full. Okay, so
west
the
of
back one's working,
Springfield.
but the front one isn't.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm
Or
warning
what
has been
more
issued.
could be going on with this
And
car?
in Springfield, Missouri, we got 70-mile-an-hour winds and half-dollar size hail to include Seymour, Norwood, Hartville,
It's not a
Portland,
huge issue at the
and-
moment,
and
thank
Palmetto.
goodness.
Springfield, Missouri, just east of Springfield, Missouri.
We're just hitting like a billion buttons.
We should drive down the road a little bit, see if that fixes it.
Attention,
Yeah.
a new considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
These things will pop up. All
back
over the
stopped for a
place. And this
second.
is the ones
turned it
continuing.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I literally.
Missouri.
Oh, okay.
And we get the inspector tool. We're talking 63 DBZ, so definitely some hell with this storm.
Yep.
Bruh.
Attention, a new flash flood warning has been issued.
That's like not good at all, bro. Yeah, so my car is just like, come on. I don't know what to think right now.
Gosh, those stupid like little radar hole. No, it's making it so hard to tell what's going on.
I'm wondering if one of the motors is broken. It might be that. Yeah, because it's not blowing out of there. That's like really bad. Not death sentence by any means, but especially because this stuff's working back here. But like, that's just. Hold on.
So he's on the move. I believe. Sure,
Attention,
we're-
a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Oh, car battery's fine. Trust me.
So we are still waiting, and like I said, it's still early. It's 5:23. I'm going to take a look at Pivotal Weather, see if there's been an update. We'll look at the 21Z. So we are getting some updraft helicity really close to Chester. And I'll show that to you real quick on Pivotal Weather. So right here is what we're looking at. And this is approximately 8 o'clock, just north of Chester. And if I just do a sounding of that real quick, tornado, spec it up real quick. PDS tornado, 81% looks like. So supercell 25. So that's what this is showing as far as the sounding possible tornado. And we're looking at, let me get back here, see what the sin is going to be. We're talking almost 4,000 cape and 21 sin when that comes through. That will spark that. And that'll be just northwest part of Randolph County. And that particular storm will be coming past Chester, it looks like. So we'll have to wait. Let me check out the updraft helicity. Be just northwest part of Chester. I'm in northwest part of Randolph County, but you can see that in the orange right there. That will be right near Redbud. So if you're in Redbud, we do have someone parked right there right now. This is the latest run. That would be something to be concerned about right there in Redbud. We do have updraft helicity in our area too, not near as bad. But we do have a little bit. Let me see what we got here. So we'll have a storm come through with a little bit of helicity. So we still have updraft helicity, but right there in and around Redbud, I'd be a little bit concerned when these storms start to come through. You can see that little bit of yellow, or that little dark circle, or I don't know how you call it. Looks like a little knife, and right behind that. And if we look at our SIG tour, right before we get there, we're at 4.3 up here. We back it up to right about there. Okay, so they're at a 4.3 and we're at a 3.2 when that starts to fire up. Again, I think we have
From yesterday.
Brian Show still sitting down by the river in Chester, Illinois. Again, if you guys are just getting on here and watching this, if you go to his and subscribe to him, Tornado Chaser, he just replaced his
I'm like so tempted to take the tape off the
it takes
windshield.
money to do what
Even though,
they do.
like they put it on because
These guys
it's
put themselves
for
in danger,
safety.
but they also help out.
where are
while
the tornadoes? I need insurance to buy me a new roof.
Helps keep people safe, lets you exactly know where those tornadoes are at. They need donations, so if you could donate.
No, not here at the moment.
Show, or
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
SCHOLL, go to his YouTube channel and donate to them.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
We have one guy that's sitting down here. Let's check out who this is.
New information.
Jacob Milne.
This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Let's get to him real quick. And like I said, these guys are just waiting for these things to fire up.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Whoops, let me get that back up for you guys.
Max altitude reached.
See if we got anybody on a storm up north.
Yes, but Andrew just has to go home in this case.
Oh, well, I didn't. I mean, I just was just making a reference to that.
Yeah, no, I know what you were doing. I'm just saying, like, I know I'm not mad at Andrew.
He's kicking me out, guys.
Garrett.
Everybody's saying to release me.
Release.
Yeah, homeward
Bro's
bound.
been held captive all day long, bro.
Take that be right back off. But anyways, this is Freddie McKinney.
What are your honest feelings and opinions and emotions on today and what's happening?
Hey, the Jefferson City cell is tornado possible with tennis balls. Even though I'm ready for Connor to say it's undercut. But I'm just saying it's now possible.
Right here.
You see the shape of the storm on radar.
I'm not saying it. I'm just saying that that's what it says.
A little bit of rotation with it.
Yeah, I see a beautiful hook echo just south of Jefferson City.
Do you? Looks like a little potato to
I
me.
have to say, I'm typically not the person for negative energy or anything like that, but this has actually been quite entertaining. Like, everybody on both channels is just like crashing
So
out.
what he's talking about, guys,
that you with a super
why are we
chat
doing
is
this,
saying
whatever.
Joppa.
these guys are looking for that discrete supercell that's off the line with a hook echo and defined hook with velocity. So these guys are just
New
waiting.
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Springfield's got a new severe thunderstorm warning. Let's get to that real quick. $50 size hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. Did you see where this line is? It's going from Peoria
Attention, a new severe
all
thunderstorm
the
warning has
way
been issued.
to Cassville in Missouri. So we're waiting for that line to come through. We'll put it in play real quick. It really hasn't gone into a straight line. Let me see here. Except for up north. And near Springfield, we still got one tornado warning in Jacksonville. Let's get to the velocity real quick. So this thing's probably packing some wind. Radar indicated.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So we do have some guys down here. Near
Attention, a
Jonesboro
new
and
severe
Thames.
thunderstorm warning has been issued.
You've got to be kidding.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
So these guys are just waiting. He's just south of Grand Tower. Edgar O'Neill
New
is in
information.
Ware,
This severe thunderstorm warning has been
near
updated.
Grassy Lake. And we got one in Jonesboro right now. This is Storm Trackers. So all these guys are just waiting. We got Jacob McMillan in Murfreesboro.
I need to replace the blades on this drone.
And we got Ryan Scholl in Chester, Illinois, sitting on the river still, I think. Yep, he's sitting on the river. I got to talk to him, guys. So if you're just getting on here, I got to talk to Ryan Scholl, him and his wife, I believe. And like I said, these guys just replaced their windshield. So if you ever go to his site, donate some money, helps them out, helps them with gas, helps them replace their windshields. But these guys went through a pretty heavy storm yesterday. Yeah, Storm Runner
Attention, a
Media
new flash
is in
flood warning
Union,
has been issued.
just near Union in Missouri.
Yeah, it's south of Columbia. Yeah, south of Jeff City too.
And he's just
It
off.
looks really funky. It definitely looks like a hailer, but
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
He's probably waiting for this one here with the tennis ball size hail Storm Runner Media near Jefferson City. And there is some rotation with this storm. See, tornado possible. So yes, there is some rotation with this storm. So if you're in Wardsville, Westphalia, it's headed right towards you. Lynn in Missouri.
New information, this severe
Taos,
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
in Wardsville. Looks like a pretty rural area. No big towns, but anyways, Freeburg, you're in this warning, Meta. But you see a little bit of the rotation right there with the greens and that little light color of white. See what we get on reflectivity. Still looks like a blob, but there is some rotation with it. We got Storm Runner Media in the area, a few counties over, so we'll just wait and see. We still got the tornado warning up here, which is really hard to see. There is a little bit of a hook right there. See if I can see that on velocity. A couple south Jacksonville. Looks like you guys, like I said, this is radar indicated $half size hail, but there's a couple spots of rotation.
New information,
here.
this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Near Jacksonville, in South Jacksonville, you still got a rotation just about to cross to Arnold, Illinois, and cross Highway Interstate 72. And you got a rotation just a little bit south of that near Highway 67. Let's see which way that one is going. Right near Murrayville, Woodson. Looks like he has some rotation.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
But you can see there's a little bit of a hook. Let's see if I can get it right there.
New information, this
So
severe
there might be some
thunderstorm warning
rotation
has
right
been
up in this
updated.
area. Let me see on velocity. Actually, just south of that. You see the rotation right there, and then right
Attention,
here.
a new considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And this is it.
New information, This
is the
severe
little dip
thunderstorm
area.
warning has been updated.
So there's definitely some rotation radar indicated. Let's see, we just got an update on the radar. Still some rotation in around South Jacksonville and just to the east of Sinclair. And it's really hard to tell, but if you get this and you
New
get
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
radar indicated storm warnings with these linear storms, it's really hard to tell definitively.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
But it's a line of thunderstorms. Here are the other ones that are discrete.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We got the storm near Mount Carmel. $50 size hail. If you guys seen that video off on the left corner of your screen, that's Ryan Scholl. I went down there real quick to talk to him. So they're just waiting for these things to fire up. Just got a few minutes, and some of these are, and they'll be going into Illinois before long. We'll go ahead and put this in play. Okay, so they got another
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been
radar
updated.
indicated tornado warning, and you see the dip. Let's go ahead and take the velocity on this one. And you see it there, the slight color and the reds. So there's some rotation with this storm. Just around Alexander, Island Grove, New Berlin, Pleasant Plains. So go ahead and take cover. It's radar indicated. But you can see the rotation
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
right here. There's a broad rotation around New Berlin in
New information.
Illinois.
This special marine warning has been
Pleasant
updated.
Plains. And I believe that's a quarter size hail. And we got Richland and Claysville, Lloyd and Salisbury. Berlin, Passfield,
Attention, a new radar indicated tornado
New
warning has
Berlin.
been issued.
Island Grove, Alexander, all you guys are in this area. Go ahead and take cover.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We got a new one. We are up to 2 tornado warnings, maybe 3. It says 2, but we got 3.
New information. This
This
severe
one's hard to
thunderstorm
tell.
warning has been updated.
Okay, this one right here is near Curtis. Go ahead and take cover. Petersburg in probably just north of Petersburg in Illinois. Greenview, Sweetwater. All you guys are in the path of this. Middletown. New Holland and Hubley in Illinois. You guys go ahead and take cover. Broadwell, Elkhart. And this would be all north of Springfield. And we got the 2 tornado warnings just to the west of Springfield with these line of thunderstorms. You can see the rotation with this one.
Attention,
Near
a
Berlin.
new radar indicated
With the
tornado
red's going
warning
away
has
from
been
the
issued.
radar and the green's going towards the radar. That is your circulation. This one right here, very broad around Curtis.
Attention, a new considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And this one right here around Woodson. You can see the rotation right there, just north of Murrayville.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Basically, this, you can see this is just a line that's coming through. This one's got a tighter rotation, I think, a better look at the rotation here. Just to the west, around Berlin, Island Grove, Alexander. You see a little dip there. Let me see what we got.
New
So it
information.
looks like
this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Right here is where your rotation is, and if we get up here to this one here, I believe it might be right there. Let me check. It is to the south. See right there. There's this little hook right there, this little indentation. Is where that rotation is at. And that one is just north of New Berlin. This one off to the west of Lincoln is really hard to see. Let's go close to the radar, see if I can get another radar. Around Greenview. So again, we got four storm
This flash flood warning
chasers
has been
near
updated.
Jonesboro, basically on 146. We've got three guys down there. We got one that's
New
on
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has
I-57
been updated.
near Dongola. And then near Poplar Bluff, we've got a couple guys.
New information. This severe
Got
thunderstorm
one here
warning
sitting on
has
the
been
river in
updated.
Chester, one near Redbud, and several up here in St. Louis area. We got a new severe thunderstorm warning in just north of Jerseyville, Hardin and Carrollton. We're talking quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds.
Attention, a new tornadic considerable severe
You
thunderstorm
got
warning has been
Kempsville,
issued.
Elkwood, Carrollton, Greenfield, Whitehall, Roothouse in Illinois. All you guys, Star City, Hamburg.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
So I'm gonna move him up. If you guys are looking at this video here on the screen, that's Ryan Scholl. He's sitting down by the river, just to the left of the boat ramp. And I got to talk to him. So like I said, these guys are waiting for these things to fire up. And it's getting
New
close to
information.
6 o'clock.
This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Again, we're talking storms, severe thunderstorms from the southwest corner of Missouri going all the way up to near Lincoln. We got 3 tornado warnings in that area, and we got 17 severe warnings, and 3 of those are in Indiana, or on the border of Illinois and Indiana, near Mount Carmel. So if you're looking at this, guys, and you're wondering why the storm chasers are not up north near those tornado warnings, those are radar indicated tornado warnings. Not to say that they will not produce a tornado. In a line like that, they'll be less intense. What you're looking at is these guys down here in this area, and I'll get off Ryan Shoal. He's sitting down by the river. And if I get into our severe weather and get to our tornado parameter, most of these guys are in this little red area, in the hashed area. Now, all of it's hashed, but this is the prime spot for discrete supercells.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm
very
warning has been issued.
To large tornadoes in this area. So this is the reason why these guys are sitting here. If the ingredients and everything plays out,
a new flash flood warning has been issued.
We hope that we don't have that, but that's the reason why they're not up there. These guys are looking for that discrete supercell, long track tornadoes. I guess you could say they're tornado chasers. We have several of them that are actually, they help out news organizations and weather science. So let's go ahead and get to our local storm reports. So in the last 3 hours, these storms have been firing off down south, southwest of in Missouri. We've already got one almost 2-inch hail. It's 1.7-inch hail. We've got some damage reports, tree branches on the road. Tree down and uprooted.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
And then near Springfield, we've got power lines down and large tree down. So this storm here is moving at 60-mile-an-hour winds and has already caused some damage. $half size hail right here near Hartville in Missouri, southwest part of Missouri.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
This was in the last 3 hours.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We've got power lines down. No power outages
New
yet.
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
If we get a tornado warning in this area, guys, I'll be looking on radar, and I'm pretty confident if I see it. If it's coming near Chester, I'll probably be in the basement. I'll leave this computer going, and I'll give you guys a warning. but I'm not going to sit upstairs and get sucked out of my little studio. So, and then I'll come back up. Or if we lose power, then I'm just done. Hopefully we don't have a tornado hit this house, because then I wouldn't have a computer. So it looks like we got a couple guys headed down south. We got
roads have been destabilizing further north.
headed
How
south.
can it be so wrong?
These guys are confused on where all this is going to fire up at.
50 miles. Just south of this mill.
New
Still
information.
about
This
65,
severe
70 miles
thunderstorm
from
warning
Illinois,
has been
so
updated.
If this theoretically went, it might slow down a little bit. It would be in Illinois around dark, maybe a little sooner, but
That looked like Cuba might be a left mover.
Fortunately, St. Louis, you're going to be getting hit again. You guys had a round earlier during the daytime, so you guys will get some more. Within the last 12 hours, let me get my storm reports up.
Attention, a new special
12
weather
hours.
statement has been issued.
Huntsville, Missouri, you guys had some storm reports, a lot of hail, 2-inch hail. Looks like around St. Louis, 1.5 inch hail, 1.2 inch.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
And then around Springfield, Missouri, we got several 1.7 inch hail, 1.2 inch hail.
Attention, a new tornadic
And
severe
as we go a little
thunderstorm
bit
warning
further,
has been issued.
up and around Springfield, wind damage reports. 10:30 this morning. Taylorville, tree down, 10:48 this morning. Jacksonville at 9:25 a.m. Tree and power lines. So these guys are already getting quite a bit already. This is their second round. We got a new severe thunderstorm warning near Mount Carmel, probably. I don't know. It's been going on for a while. Moving pretty slow, I guess. Let's take a look. 40 knots. So 44 mile an hour. Just one right after another. We do have some storms starting to fire up in and around Vienna, Marion.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Let's see what we got.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We got a new one here in Missouri. I would be surprised if there's a little bit of rotation with this one near Stillville and Cuba. Let's take a look. I don't know if it's too far. Looks like it changed a little bit.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Yep, and this one we just looked at. Okay, we're down to two tornado warnings, the same too that's been up here for a little bit. Let's take a look at the velocities. And it's really hard to tell.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
A little bit of rotation, so if there's any rotation in it, you're going to get radar indicated. So we got quarter size hail in around Pleasant Plains. It looks like around Lloyd and Lewisburg.
New
That's going to
information.
take cover.
This severe thunderstorm warning
the
has been
rotation I
updated.
see now will be up and around New Holland.
New
Sometimes-
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
These starting to
Attention,
move at
a
50
new
mile an
severe
hour.
thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And this could
New
be
information.
around
This
Interstate
severe thunderstorm
55
warning
between
has
mile
been
markers
updated.
111 and 119. So that's where I see that rotation at. Right there. Let's see if we got anything on pollution coefficient. We got a new tornado warning now. We're up to 3, I believe. It'll pop on the screen here in a minute, but we got one near Jerseyville. Let's take a look at the velocity on that one. And right at around Jerseyville. So if you're in that area, take cover. Otterville, Medora, Shipman. You guys go ahead and take cover. Chesterfield. Located near Jerseyville, moving northeast at 50 mile an hour. Locations: Otterville, Jersey, Delhi, Brighton, Fidelity, Piazza, Miles Station, Fedora, Kemper, Shipman, Chesterfield,
Attention,
Plainview,
a new
Laurel
radar
Lakes,
indicated tornado
Dorchester,
warning has
Mount
been
Clair,
issued.
Gillespie, Carlinville, East Gillespie, Eganville, and Standard City. This includes the state parks of Beaver Dam, and I got food, breakfast.
Yeah, I got tea too.
Attention, a new tornadic considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Well, probably around 8.
So if I go for a walk, it won't hurt me.
Should be okay. Hey.
Mom and Pop and hashtag 039, S Pizza Chester IL says. Can I get a Sicily Swirls lemonades before it's too late?
She wants a Sicily lemonade before it's too late.
Who?
Call Pam. I guess Mom and Papa's Pizza.
Mom and Pop and hashtag 039, S Pizza Chester IL says.
What are they doing?
Bring me a drink.
Bring her a drink.
So, I don't know. Call her and find out. Might be Pam or Mike. So we're looking at Jerseyville. Oh, by the way, guys, we got Ryan Scholl was here in Chester, and he's back on the road again. But I got to talk to him. He was sitting down by the river. got
Mom
food,
and Pop
Popeyes
and
pizza.
hashtag 039, S Pizza Chester IL says. Yes, you're going for a walk.
Yeah, she said she's going for a walk.
Attention, a new considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
So this is Ryan Shaw. Looks like he's back across the river going towards Perryville. And I got to talk to him and his wife. So these guys are unsure when this stuff's
New
going to hit.
information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We had Tornado Pagey just turned and headed towards Jonesboro.
Never touching grass
Attention,
again.
a new special weather statement has been issued.
Then I'll be sleepy.
So yeah, so you guys are on here.
Attention, a new
Like I said,
tornadic
around 8
severe
o'clock, the
thunderstorm
road is
warning
showing,
has been
so,
issued.
If you're going to go for a walk, go now. Just taking a look at the radar. We got just a little bit. These things start firing up.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So I got a little bit of an update. I'm going to take a look at it real quick. For Chester, see if I can get it to go.
New information, this special marine warning has been updated.
So Tornado TRX has kind of moved up to near Waterloo. He was near Redbud. But that might be where the
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
looks like he's going north a little bit. So,
What did you discover?
so Chester's not looking too bad. We're still going to have some storms come through, but looking at the latest run, and I'll show it to you guys. Put this on the draw tool here. We're right here. The updraft felicity's up here, northern Randolph County at, that's 9. We'll have to wait and see. We'll get a little closer in the next hour. See where Freddie McKinney's at.
New information. This severe thunderstorm
That's the kind of
warning
day
has
it
been
is.
updated.
Hope you guys are watching that freaking Cuba storm. That is the dang freaking target I've been thinking all day. It looks good.
I just love how Connor's like it's a
stretch, but it's there. And it's about 45 minutes directly to our south and west, so we're just sitting here waiting to see what happens with it.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Yeah, I was hoping something would fire east of Rolla, and that's exactly what happened, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully you guys can get some over there.
Probably only has like an hour max before it gets eaten by the outflow boundary.
Attention,
And
a new
route to
tornadic
its north
severe
and east,
thunderstorm warning has been
might
issued.
be an unfortunate sweet spot for St. Louis.
right now the best sector parameters are just like up
Attention,
here.
a new severe
Interestingly
thunderstorm
enough,
warning
so-
has
They're up
been
to the
issued.
north?
Up to the north and east, right over St. Louis actually. So,
Well, that's where the environment is, yes.
but this is the problem. See, that environment means it can only mean so much if this is what's coming into it.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We're sitting here watching this, folks, because this would be coming closer to the somewhere near the St. Louis Metro here within before long.
I think if it turns right, I think it would.
Which cell is ours? 50 cent? I only see this one.
No, ours is.
I only see
Attention,
that one.
this
That's
flash
ours.
flood
Right
warning
there?
has been updated.
Yeah, are you on mixed layer or surface based?
Well, this is the
New
but that's
information.
the sin, though.
This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
surface-based sin. I don't know if it's in 50. That's in 25.
Maybe mine's not. Well, I mean,
what are you on?
It's in 50 sin. I'm on surface based sin. You're on. You're on mixed layer maybe.
I'm on surface-based Cape.
Oh, so was I.
Attention,
Yeah.
a new
Wonder why it
special
looks
weather
different.
statement has been issued.
Surface-based Cape. Oh, see, I'm not talking. I mean, you're looking at. I thought it was this one.
That's ours.
Attention, a
Yeah.
new
Ours,
special
yeah.
weather statement has been
That's
issued.
ours. See?
Why does yours show that? Mine doesn't.
They look different. You know, so yeah.
What's going on, brother?
How's it going?
Oh, fucking watching this move in.
Yeah.
Like it's almost here.
Yeah, it's coming. It's good. They're coming in. Yeah, they're coming in.
I like the adrenaline rush, but damn.
Yeah.
Be safe, guys.
You too, man. You too.
Well, there's our photograph right now.
One's a little veered, but you got enough shear, you can get it done.
Here's our skew T.
Wait, show me the hood. I pulled this in front of it. Looks a little better.
Wait, what did I? That was where I just pulled it just to the south. I mean,
I just did it just to the northeast because that's where it was headed.
Oh yeah, see, I mean, I can go.
Yeah, like
I can
right
go
there.
east.
That's what I was doing. It looks like the winds were maybe a little bit more back to the northeast. Yeah, it looks a little better, doesn't it?
It does look a little better. I don't
New
know,
information.
guys.
This severe thunderstorm
I mean,
warning
really,
has
if
been
this
updated.
thing like roots, like there's no reason why it wouldn't produce. So, it's just really the question is, does it root?
I mean, there's a slight east nudge.
Yeah, it's trying to go. If you look at,
But what it's doing is it needs. It's struggling now. It lost its shape. What it's trying, it needs to form a new meso out here.
I think it's splitting right now. See the split?
Yeah, I see it.
Split's gonna come to us.
Fun.
it's splitting, so I think in the next 15 minutes, I think we might know the how this one's gonna go.
I bet you say, I already know.
It's launching a left split.
Yeah.
I am officially solo chasing.
Yeah, it's splitting, so yeah, it's do or die time now. It'll either rock it up or it's
New
gonna die,
information.
guys. When it's
This
storm,
severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Probably want to wait for it till it crosses the river, maybe. So now we have to pick which side of the river we want to be on. Yes.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
You're on the west side of the river. You can get it once, and then you're done.
I think it's still got well over an hour till it crosses the river. So I think we'll stay on the Missouri side. We're sitting in Sullivan right now, or St. Clair right now.
I'm over in Oakville, right next to the river crossing.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
It's still about 50 miles from Festus, so...
New information.
Yeah,
This
I guess it
severe
could probably
thunderstorm warning has
cross
been
the
updated.
river about 30 minutes before dark. I'm surprised that there's not a river crossing down by Festus, because
Attention,
it's a
a
decent
new severe
town.
thunderstorm warning has been issued.
I think it's gonna merge.
Yeah, I just don't really feel like trying to chase through these mountains. I don't know. I might just wait for it.
See the little. Yeah, it's off. It's awful, but there's some spotty, terrain there. That's the other decision we'll have to make, is if we want to. Yeah, it really.
Chad, I don't know. I just want to laugh because of, if this actually does turn to something, I'm going to be like, wow, thought it was, I don't know.
That it could do it.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Any conditions improving? This thing was looking a little bit better. It's shooting off a left split, but look how big it is, though.
Attention, a new special weather statement
It's
has been
gaining
issued.
mass. This is where you want your mezzo. This is where it's going to be, right here. Somewhere in this vicinity. I think it'll be here.
It's gonna go right towards DeSoto, and if it turns right, I think it'll be like a little north, maybe. With cores going up, and it got a small merge. It's definitely turning right, that's for sure.
I think our way to get over there is to just continue to do this. I think it'll have a mezzo underneath it.
Yeah, it could just start heading towards it's probably gonna come right towards Hillsboro and DeSoto.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a mezzo there. Look at it.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
All right, guys, we might have a storm to follow.
Frantic, thank you for gifting 5 memberships.
New information.
If this one somehow
thunderstorm
dies, then I
warning has
guess we
been
just
updated.
get to 44 and start driving southwest. But it looks like it's...
Oh, you're pretty confident going
New
back to the house?
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Probably. It'd probably be the best. I think it'd probably be the best move as long as we get there at a decent time. So it'll kind of put us in a good spot. So I think it would. Especially if it's Texas, which it looks like it probably will be. Because you know how much of a mess it's
I'm not trying to be but what? But you just sound like surprised that I would be like, are you going back to Norman?
What?
He sounds surprised I asked him if he was going back to Norman.
Well, he kind of...
So basically what we got going on is they're waiting for these things to fire up.
Attention, a new radar indicated tornado warning has been issued.
Okay, we're up to 2. This one here is radar indicated ping pong ball size hail, guys. Winds at 60 miles an hour near Carlinville. And I see a little bit of a hook. Let's take a look at the velocity. Right there, guys. Around Medora, we got someone that's actually on this one. We're gonna watch this one, guys. We near Shipman, just north of Brighton, just to the east of Jerseyville, right over Piazza.
New information.
Is where this storm
severe
is at.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
And there's some rotation right there. See which way it's moving. Headed right towards Shipman. So if you're in Shipman, Centerville, Plainview, in Illinois, go ahead and take cover. Gillespie, Carlinville, Chesterfield, Stanford City.
Attention, a new tornadic considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
It looked like they had enough rain already. It looks like it's losing
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Moving pretty quick.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Still near Piazza.
New information, this severe thunderstorm
Miles
warning has
Station.
been updated.
We have one person up there. Let's see what we got here. We got this one
Attention,
near
a new severe
Lincoln.
thunderstorm warning has been issued.
70 mile an hour winds, guys. And there's your rotation. So if you're in Bakersfield, Chestnut, go ahead and take
Attention, a
cover.
new special weather statement has been issued.
This is packing quarter size hail and 70 mile an hour winds.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
I wouldn't be surprised if this one gets warned. There is some rotation with this one.
New information.
Near
This severe
Sullivan.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We'll keep an eye on that one. Around Sullivan, Missouri, there is some rotation.
Attention, this flash flood warning has been updated.
Oak Grove, Monday, Stanton, Oak Grove Village. Caseyville. There is some rotation with this one. Near Cuba. It'll be one that we will keep an eye on. And we lost him. Yep.
Do you know when? Because it's still really sunny outside.
It is really sunny. We're still looking at about an hour and a half.
But it looks like there's nothing happening outside. River, get out.
We're still looking about 8 o'clock.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
I say about 8:30.
Do you think there's going to be a tornado?
Not here, I don't think so. Doesn't look like it. Look like it's wanting to split when it gets to Chester. The severity of it. But we'll have to wait and see. We still got another hour. We still got some rotation with that one.
Attention, this flash flood warning has been updated.
Yeah, Ava told me she got like an Amber Alert like 8 times saying that there's going to be a tornado coming.
It's not an Amber Alert. Okay, Waterloo, considerable, guys. We're talking lime-sized hail. Let's take a look at that one.
Those are big. So they like get inside.
Attention, a
And
new
that would be
special
this,
weather statement has been issued.
Line of storms is coming.
Hi guys who are watching.
Huh?
I'm saying hi to the people that are watching.
Okay.
Hi.
Attention,
look at
a
this
new
one.
tornadic considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Yeah, 68 dBZs. So we're talking lime-sized hail. So if you're Monday, tough. Go ahead and take cover.
Attention, this flash flood warning has been updated.
There is some rotation with this one near Sullivan. I say Monday and Huff, take cover. If you're in Blueberry or Grubville, Lawndale.
Attention,
See
a
you
new
here?
tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
I wouldn't be surprised if this one gets tornado warned. Down here near Sullivan. At 37 knots.
Attention, a new tornadic considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
43 miles per hour. 2 miles per hour. We do have someone that's waiting for this one. He's going south.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
So if you're a Monday, this rotation is probably going to hit you about 6:50 p.m. If you're Hensley, 711, 723 in Louberry, Maupin, 726, Grubeville, 734, Longdale, 726, Mount Hope, 719. So you guys go ahead and take cover. We'll take another look at it. It is tornado warned finally. I did see the rotation. Go ahead. So if you're in this, we can see the
Attention, a new radar indicated tornado warning has been issued.
you see the rotation right there with the red's going away from the radar and the other one, the green going towards the radar.
Attention, a
So
new
this is your
special weather
rotation.
statement has been issued.
So if you're in Husley, go ahead and take cover Monday.
New information, this
Huff,
severe thunderstorm
Gutenberg,
warning has been updated.
Fletcher. And we do have someone that's going down that way.
There, so
Let's go ahead and take a look at the reflectivity. And we can see the hook. Okay, guys, so this is what we're looking at. This is your rotation right now. And definitely it's got a hook on it. And this is your hook echoed. So this is your rotation. This is your hook. We got someone headed down that way. So if you're in Pea Ridge, Husley or Husley, go ahead and take cover. We'll go ahead and put a stop on that. Let's see what we got. We got 50, 60 mile an hour winds. And so there's a rotation, 63, 70 with this one. So go ahead and take cover. You got 60 mile an hour winds, lime size hail.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
And then I set it up there.
You got someone coming in.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
In your bag?
It's in my backpack right there. Yeah, the Fujifilm is back there.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I gotta lock in on these curvy roads, guys. We are in the Ozarks. That is for sure. I love the Ozarks. I grew up here, but
well, Ben,
I don't know about chasing in the Ozarks. It's a little bit difficult, of course.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been
You said it's in
updated.
your bag?
It should be in my backpack somewhere. I have a computer in there. It might be behind the computer. Yeah. Yeah, it should be fully charged. So.
This one definitely has a rotation with it.
Guys, we are approaching our tornado warning supercell
Attention,
here. We should be
this
able to get a
flash
view
flood warning has been
in
updated.
a few miles. I'm going to look for a spot down on the road here. If it doesn't look like it's going to produce when it comes up to our highway, we will go east of it to stay out ahead of it. So
This is what we're looking at. If it popped up.
All right, Chad.
Oh, there we go.
We're on this tornado warning cell here.
Another thing I like about
There
this
we go.
road is it does veer a little
So
bit
this is
south
what we're
and
looking
east,
at,
so it gets
guys.
me.
This is the one that they're chasing. And they are right here. And this is where this rotation is. If we go ahead
Maybe
and
this is your
get
get back
to
at the
the
photo. Huh? This is your
reflectivity, you still definitely got a hook on it.
Oh, for missing the DeSoto tornado last year?
From
Yeah.
last year, yeah.
Guys,
This is your hook.
I was
right
I
here.
sniffed out a really good tornado setup over here last June, and I just happened to be on the wrong storm, and also I got lazy and gave up a little bit too. Today we didn't quite give up. We were close.
Chad, the hook is looking insane.
It is looking wild, and I missed a tornado near DeSoto. Very strong
And this
tornado
is your
actually. So this is
rotation.
this is my get back here, and seeing this tornado. Luckily, we're in a very rural area, guys. So we're in a very rural area here. As we approach the river, there will be a few towns, so that we really need to be careful. You need to be careful
Take
over
a
there
look at-
if you're in Festus.
Yeah, so if you
Or if you're
guys
east in
are,
Illinois,
like
if
I
you're east of
said,
Festus.
you're in Little Indian Creek
Does it look like
area.
it's imminent?
If you're around
imminent, or-
Hustley,
I can't tell my velocity.
Hurricane,
Yes, very much
Richwood,
so. Very much so.
It's very imminent.
Greenberg.
It could be, guys, there could be a
Louisville.
tornado coming down very soon on this storm.
What's the reflectivity look like? What's the velocity then?
And we're talking
Yeah, it could be. I think it might
119
need
mile
a
an hour
cycle
winds,
once or
guys.
twice, but
This
yeah.
is starting to pick up.
It's actually moving
I've got
northeast now.
110. So
It's
let's
actually
take a
going
look.
to come right for us in a minute.
Moving northeast.
Yeah, I have a. It looked like it moved northeast on the scan, so maybe that's just because the hook's occluding up. It looks like the hook is
take
occluding up in there.
Take a look at the reflectivity.
It's moving quick. I got to get to my route east in 3 miles, and I'm going to stop.
Here she is, right here.
There's her storm. There it is.
There she is, guys. I don't know.
With these trees, it'll be difficult, guys, but we're going to do everything we can to find a view here.
Attention, this flash flood warning has been updated.
Here.
Put them off to the side real quick.
Yeah, I may have a view up here right before my turn, actually.
Got a lot of trees in the way.
Still got a hook. Let's take a look at the velocity.
Attention,
it dropped.
a new tornadic considerable severe
And
thunderstorm
we've already
warning
taken a
has been
look at
issued.
this. We got some heavy winds.
Yeah, we are.
I've got
We're pretty
110,
close to it.
Okay, let me know. I'm meeting in
108 mile an hour winds.
Copy that. We're coming into hurricane right now. We are actually going to beat the core.
119 mile an hour winds. Let's take a look at reflectivity.
Holy smokes, look at this terrain.
Sorry, I didn't get that. You cut out on me. What'd you say?
The velocity,
I said we're going to beat the core, thankfully.
the velocities don't look too impressive.
Must be right behind us then.
To me
We're
right
on
now.
Business Route 21 headed into Hillsboro.
Velocities
Being
don't look
in
too impressive
Hillsboro,
to me there.
Last
got
hand.
asbestos,
Yeah, I don't think
Well,
they look
because it's
impressive.
disorganized.
Mapleville, Jarvis, Goldman, Bellevue Creek, Mount Freedom, Cottage Farms, Ware,
See over there?
Brumet, Fletcher. All you guys go ahead and take cover. Hurricane,
We're
Richwoods.
going to try to intercept in Hillsboro and then head all the way to the interstate north near Pevely or Vestas and jump north somehow. Try to head east out of St. Louis, but I'm not planning that for it because we got this map.
Yeah, we'll be doing the same thing as you.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Best to hit it on 55 or across the river.
Attention, a new radar indicated tornado warning has been issued.
That's just my 2 cents. It also depends on where you're at.
Yeah, we're already over here, so it makes
Yeah, I'm
sense.
just waiting like the impact. I know there's like towns on the south side there.
Yeah, it's we.
Alright, it's not looking great to me right now, so
Attention,
I'm gonna just
a new
shoot east to
tornadic
stay out
severe
ahead of it so we
thunderstorm
can play the
warning
long
has
game.
been
Well,
issued.
If it gets
Velocities
pretty good,
again.
flatten the whole town. So if I need help, I'll let y'all
Still
know.
got some rotation with it.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And still packing 88 mile an hour winds in certain spots. I've got 115,
So might have a view up there, maybe?
110.
Wow. Holy
I
smokes,
just
we can get a view of
update. Got 99,
From Redbud right now.
97,
Attention, a new tornadic severe
See anything on
thunderstorm
there?
warning has been issued.
99
Just incredible.
mile an hour
Matt,
winds.
turn around
This
really
is a
quick. Can
storm.
you face this way really quick?
Yeah, but I might not sit here so long because it's moving so quick.
Right over the river. And I'd rather be on the east side of the river than the west side. It's got some a front to its north and some junk coming in from the north. So it's gonna be a narrow window, but hoping it's gonna be right along the river.
We have a view of it right now. Incredible mid-level structure. It's cranking up there. Low
Attention,
levels
a
look a
new
little
radar indicated
disorganized
tornado
right now,
warning has been
but it's
issued.
a pretty impressive storm. All right,
Copy.
I have to go east. It's not
New
gonna be
information.
right
Heads
now.
up.
This special marine warning has been updated.
We can point
Did I miss anything from you, Max?
The south or the northwest might briefly
New information. This severe
give it that equal
thunderstorm warning has
balance
been
of
updated.
RFD and inflow.
got a wall cloud. It's got a nice wall call on it.
For now, it looks like it needs a strong.
Oh, okay. I don't know why my thing said I saw I missed something from you. My bad. There's your wall. There it is.
Yeah. So maybe once it catches up, it might just give it the boost that it needs to touch down. I get to see it turn a little bit more east.
So the storm that they're chasing
It's
right
got a
now
nice
is near
blocky
Monday,
wall cloud, lots of scud
in
under it,
Missouri.
and just incredibly striated mezzo above.
And this
just,
is a
yeah, it just
look
looks
at
like it's
both
not quite
radars.
organized
You
at the
got
low
the hook.
levels, but it's got the chance to at any point.
You get the rotation right there.
Yeah,
You got
it
it,
did
but
take
you
a
got the
right
hook.
turn though. I think the
So
storm
it's still
motion's
kind
pretty
of
favorable
almost
on it at
got-
the moment.
There's the wall cloud, guys, right there.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're gonna get a view through the trees, but this storm is moving so fast.
They can make that
If
right
it's
turn
not
and stick
producing,
just out of that
if
crap
it's producing, we'll sit ahead and watch it come at us. But if it's not producing, we gotta stay out ahead of it, guys. So it looks a little messy. It
Well,
looks pretty
a
messy
couple
right
other
now.
guys
So.
are just ahead of this one.
Looks very messy right now, so we got to get out ahead of it again.
Yeah,
We're trying our best.
almost like
to.
two little
Holy
hooks.
cow.
It has been issued.
See, if I didn't have this paved option, Garrett, I just would have gone to Hillsboro. Stay out ahead of it.
Right.
But since I had this paved option, it felt comfortable.
Still got
You
patting
guys
some
can see it
winds.
through the trees, guys.
Still
We're in
getting
the
winds
middle
about
of the
80
Ozarks.
certain spots.
We're very close to the Mark Twain National Forest, if not in it.
97,
But, we have some views of
99.
it through the trees here, guys. But this storm is headed in the general direction of Festus there on the Mississippi River area. Please alert here in the next 45 minutes. Also, so
I think this thing may have
touched briefly.
Touched briefly. That was a good velocity.
It looked
couplet.
disorganized though, right when we had a view. Do you agree? Yeah, okay.
It was briefly though, for that.
Like if it was putting down a hog and it was just coming right at us, I just would have sat there and or we had that view. But it just we gotta play this. We might have one chance. We probably have one chance at a good intercept.
Look like it's got to reorganize.
We gotta play it right.
Now that we're
a little bit of a
clearing with the trees, you guys can see that.
Holy smokes!
A bit better now back there.
What a storm, guys!
There she is.
What a storm, guys!
Just that angle from the trees made that look very bad, but there it is.
It's weird. That storm's dying. It's weakening right now. On radar, it's dying. So that's interesting. On radar, it looks like it's dying. It's very weird.
Attention, a new radar indicated tornado warning
it's
has been
definitely
issued.
trended down, reflectivity wise. I still think it's got a shot though.
Yeah, it looked like it's still got some rotation.
Attention, a new tornado severe thunderstorm
that
warning
it went
has
like
been
that,
issued.
and then it looks like it's
And
really.
we do have one person on
needs a
one side of the
cycle,
river and a couple people on the other.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been
Ryan
updated.
Scholl is up there. I just talked to him. He was down here in Chester.
New
Early.
information, this severe
Right,
thunderstorm warning
Mezzo,
has been
yeah.
updated.
But it's looking pretty weak. That updraft is kind of scary.
Attention, a new radar indicated
the
tornado
velocity
warning has been issued.
or the updraft velocity was showing right in this area. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Little Granville County.
Try to jump the river and get it east.
But we do have someone on. Well, unless he just
Updraft
broke.
looks
We
much
got
more shriveled and skinny than it did about 5-6 minutes ago.
Connor Croft on the Illinois side. We've got Ryan
Just
Scholl
from my view.
and Stormer Media, I believe,
Okay,
on
that's
this side.
not ideal.
So
See it? See what I'm talking? I think it's dying. There.
it may die. Let's take a
looks
look
like
at
it's
the
That's your,
velocity.
I mean, your main updraft, I would think, is back here.
Yeah, it looks like it's trying to choke. It's choking itself out, guys. We'll see if it lives or not.
Attention,
Chat.
a new flash flood
We'll
warning
see.
has been issued.
That's what it looks like to me. That could change in 5 minutes, but just right now, it looks like it's not.
Still got some heavy winds, but it's starting to die down a little bit.
For a tornado threat. It's still got a.
The only good thing I can tell you guys is this environment out ahead of it is very warm and moist.
7.
But you showed me the lapse rates didn't look good.
Lapse rates are better.
Capped in the mid levels.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
I don't know if it's shriveling, then it matters, but hopefully it doesn't keep shriveling.
It almost looks slightly like it's getting sheared out a little bit from all the shear, but we'll see. I think if it forms a new hook or mezzo and roots again, I think it's got a chance still.
So we'll keep an eye on this one. We are up to
Just
5
trying to get out
tornado
in front of
winds.
this, guys, a little bit
We
better.
got one here
Producing
around
right
St.
now, so we don't
Charles.
need to be
I
up
just
on
want to
it.
see it move east.
Let's take a velocity on this one.
If it can move
It's
in
really
more of
hard
an
to
easterly
say.
motion, I think it'll have a lot better of a
Really
shot.
hard to see.
I can't. It'd be very hard to believe given how good it looked about.
Like the right
So
motion
we're
to
talking a radar indicated Gulf Falls Flies Hill
So definitely a shot that left.
to include Alton, St. Charles, St. Peters.
Oh my god, it's just crazy how
got
it
some
hooked up
relatives
like
up
that
there.
so quick, and then it just started shriveling. That's just
New
wild
information,
to me.
this
think it
severe
produced.
thunderstorm
I
warning
think it
has
Alton
been
produced
issued.
area.
quick. Yeah, maybe that was. Still has a decent mezzo
And we
up there.
got
I
the
think it
2 up
produced very
here.
quickly.
New information.
Garrett thinks
This
it might
severe
have produced
thunderstorm
quickly,
warning has been
like
updated.
right when it started hooking. So I'm wondering if maybe it just produced and tried to cycle again and failed.
Look like straight line winds, but right here, if you're in Farmer City, go ahead and
This
take
guy is
cover.
only
DeWitt,
going 40 miles an hour here.
Parnell, Fulton, and Illinois.
I really do. It had that little.
Yeah, this road has been just brutal with traffic lights coming through.
Weldon, Dealing,
coming through town
Marcello,
here, it's just been a pain in the
Whitehill,
ass right now, to say
White,
the least.
Heath.
Yeah, we're
Guys,
trying to
take
get in
cover.
front of it,
There's
guys.
one
We're
in
not
Farmer
trying to
City
leave it. We have to get
area.
in front of it.
We have. I mean, it's moving.
Fulton,
It's moving
Fulton
50, and
and
we're on
Parnell.
curvy roads, so we have to drive, or else we're gonna get
Definitely
behind.
see
That's
the,
basically what it is, right? Right? Yeah. We want to
rotation.
get on it when it's producing. If
A
it's
little
not
bit of
producing, we don't want to be under
Dip
it.
right there.
It's got a handoff.
Guys, if it's producing, I don't mind letting it go over me. You know, if it's producing a tornado, that's my one shot. It's my one shot. I got the tornado, right? So.
All right, I'm coming through Hillsborough right now. We're just gonna go bail east.
And we
Try to
do
get
have
east of the
one.
river.
It's in Kentucky now.
We'll see if we can get there
Take a
before
look.
it gets to Waterloo, but it's moving.
Oh well,
really
we
fast.
can't. If they're worried about getting to the river, we ain't gonna get it. We ain't gonna get east of the river.
We could.
A little bit of rotation.
But if it keeps
near,
going northeast like this,
Ballardsville,
we got a
Kentucky.
shot at getting on
Did
it.
you say you had a view of it and it didn't look very organized?
Yeah,
The one that we were going to be keeping an eye on for around Chester area is this one right here.
Shrivel or shear itself out, and it radar reflected that too. But it
Still
could
got some
always,
rotation with this
It still
storm.
has a good mid-level meso, so it could always spike up again.
New information.
Ben, the
This
last
severe
view that
thunderstorm
we had of
warning
your
has been
stream, it looked
updated.
like it was pretty much done.
Still wanting to get a little hook on the back end there.
That's what
Let's take a
I
look.
thought too. I was just trying to maybe optimistic. We've lost it in the trees here, so.
We did lose it in the
The
trees,
wind's
guys.
picking up a little bit around Chester.
Maybe there's a very small.
It really did look incredible for like, right when we got on it. And then,
Right now, we're looking at Chester right now, and we're
Like I
still
said, I just
clear.
wonder
It's windy
if
out
it
there,
produced
guys.
and then quickly
So the wind shear is
cycled
picking up.
and didn't live the cycle.
See if we get a different look
Hey, I don't
at
know
this
where you guys are at in
run
the trees, but the parent meso is actually just north of Ridgewoods right now. It's splitting. It's going to cut hard east again, like between Hillsborough and DeSoto, but it is not done.
Okay, we'll see.
We are approaching DeSoto now. That's two splits.
We do
There
have
it is
someone
behind us,
just
guys.
northwest Prairie to Rocher, actually Valmeyer,
Updraft kind of looked pretty
Baystown,
rough to me.
out in the
Connor,
middle of nowhere. It's Connor Croft.
New
Here's the
information. This severe thunderstorm warning
It's hard
has
to
been
see in all
updated.
this.
It looks very,
And
very
he is not
rough.
lying
Yeah,
yet.
it's very hard to see because it is very hazed. So things are hazy.
Attention, a new tornadic considerable severe thunderstorm warning has
I
been
wonder
issued.
if this convection over here gives it a boost.
It could give it a boost.
That's my thinking. That's my
Attention,
only
a
thinking.
new
that
severe
I can-
thunderstorm
pretty
warning
fast.
has been issued.
I think this could
Okay,
do something.
Connor Croft is across
Yes,
the river.
the
Back
southern,
we got
the southern spot. Because if you're
three
looking on
people across
velocity,
the river.
It has
Freddie
does it have a
McKinney,
spot there?
Connor
There's
Croft,
nothing over here on velocity on the southern.
and
really?
No.
Tornado TLA.
What is that? Oh wait, no, it's back here.
Yeah, the velocity's back up there.
It's back.
where-
Well, I mean, that's the old one right there. I'm talking about this one.
The handyman right there.
That's the old
This
velocity.
is our
but
jet.
that-
We're good. I don't know.
Okay, that'd be a very. It could be. It could be a very. It'd be a very LP hook. Shockingly LP hook. We'll see. We might have to go DeSoto up to Hillsborough just with the way this is going now. Or I might just head towards Festus, and then we can go up towards Barnhart or wherever it's gonna head. Because I wonder if it's gonna get
That
nudged.
one just north of downtown St.
See,
Louis.
there's a little base
Consider
back there
Alton.
still.
Old Jamestown. Let's take a look at the
There's
velocity
no
real
support
quick.
above the base, though. That's the problem. It it's shearing itself
Attention,
out.
a new tornadic severe thunderstorm
Really
warning
hard
has
to
been
tell.
issued.
The base. Guys, the good news is for the areas to the east is this storm is looking like it's been shriveling up here for about 10 minutes. But you just never know. The convection to the west of it could give it a boost again, but it is shriveling up and on its way towards dying
New
right
information.
now.
This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Yeah, there's a good view of it there. Yeah, it is. I was maybe thinking the radar scans back a few minutes ago were just an anomaly, but it was a very healthy storm there for about 20 minutes, and it might have produced briefly. Well, I gotta say, if it would have held itself together, we would have been in a perfect position here, Garrett, in this area.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
You seem like you don't quite agree with my analysis of that. Yeah, do you agree with that analysis, or do you think it's still gonna get itself together?
I ain't giving up on it just yet.
Well, I ain't giving up on it either. I just wonder if it can only get itself together from the storms to the north. I wonder if that's our chance at it to get itself going.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Right. So I'm gonna head up.
A nudger from the north. That's interesting.
No. The
Still
storm's
not-
too more
a little bit
north.
of
We're
rotation
gonna be to
down
the west
here.
of it, and it could get nudged by those storms.
Oh, okay, I see.
Not like a storm is nudging it from the north.
So this one right here has got a little bit of rotation. So we'll just keep an eye
a
on
new
that one.
severe
heading towards,
thunderstorm watch has been issued.
I'm just gonna head up right now.
Stillville, Missouri.
Because I have a good road east to Hillsboro too.
A little bit of a dip. Keep an eye on that one too.
Starting route is 63028.
We've gotten some ground out.
And that one would be
Attention,
here
a new
towards
special weather statement has been issued.
Randolph County.
Yeah, just looking at the base, I just think it's dying.
New
So
information. This severe
My
thunderstorm
question
warning has been updated.
is if the storms to the west could give it the boost, and that's the only thing I can see that brings it back.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Yeah, I mean, on radar, I cannot believe it looked like it had one RFD cut, maybe one RFD surge, and then quite literally just gusted out and just detached from the surface. So,
Attention,
yeah,
a new
we'll,
severe
see
thunderstorm warning has
if,
been issued.
These storms of the west can reignite something new, but otherwise,
New information. This severe
It's just
thunderstorm
wild
warning has
how
been
fast
updated.
it was. Just a little bean, and then within 5 minutes, one scan, it just hook that quick, and then
Attention,
you're almost like
severe
doing
thunderstorm
like 3
watch has been
scans,
issued.
and then it's just
We do
wild.
have someone
It
across
has
the
to
river when
be-
this crosses. We got
has to
Freddie
be
McKinney.
something with that little
And,
gap up there. So
Tornado
it's-
TRX.
yeah, the storms to the west my only hope for it as of right now.
I'm actually considering crossing the river and headed down 55 or something.
I think it's gonna do it before the
They
river.
just said something on
Still
Tag
got
1 that I can see
rotation
Andrew
with it.
Lyons made a post about watching the two
New
southern
information.
cells
This
right
severe
now as long as they
thunderstorm
remain
warning has been
discreet. They're
updated.
moving into a much more favorable environment for strong and significant tornadoes.
Winds
in
have died
southeast
down a little bit
Missouri.
with this particular cell, but we'll keep an eye on it.
I mean, you're not wrong. I think we were talking about that about an hour
Attention, a
or
new
two ago
severe
before the storm
thunderstorm watch
fired.
has been issued.
We were kind of just waiting around, seeing what was happening, and we kind of thought that before this one fired, that those would be the only ones that would have a chance left.
Yeah, we're headed down south on 55. I don't think there's any chance we can keep up with this, and it looks like it's just joining up into the line anyway. So if we get those two isolated cells a chance, maybe we can get something near West Paducah or
New
South Cape
information.
or something.
This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Yeah, I should. If I decide to do that, I'm probably just going to cross the river over by Chester.
New information. This severe thunderstorm
Worst
warning
case
has been
scenario,
updated.
the storms fall apart. They got a Lambert's down in Sykeston. We can go eat our weight in furrowed rolls.
Ah, dude, Lambert's is incredible. I've been wanting to get everybody to Lambert's at some point.
Well, I think tonight is a perfect night. So if these fall apart, it's a win-win, guys. If it falls apart, then we're going to Lambert's and get Tornado to win. So
There you go.
I just made it.
There she is, right there, guys.
Yeah, the only we would possibly have to miss out just if because we might have to be at it looks like we have to go to Texas
Well, we're
tomorrow.
waiting for this to fire up. We're gonna take a look at it
yeah.
again.
We'll see. It's a long
Wait
drive.
for
over
another
there.
radar scan.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been
What?
updated.
It is Lambert's.
I haven't eaten there,
Attention,
but
a
it's
new
a pretty
special
good
weather
sit-down
statement has been
restaurant,
issued.
from what I heard.
Yeah, it's a fun place. There's like one in Springfield and one in Sykeston. And I tried to go there a few weeks ago, and the wait was like 2 hours, so I couldn't get in.
That
Look like it's
sounds
messy.
absolutely incredible, but I am so incredibly tired that it's going to take everything in me to just get down to the target tomorrow.
I mean, your Mezzo Chaz is well on the back side of this thing. It's not in front of us anymore.
No, which is why we're going north. That was an extremely long light there.
Yeah, the whole storm is flying north now. That might be the most insane thing I've ever seen.
The way it rooted and then it just...
I'd already seen the most insane thing I've ever seen with the outflow boundary surging ahead of the storms earlier today, but that one in the most pristine environment of the day, with the forcing coming in, clean air from the south, low-level jet ramping up, 200 to 300 SRH, and it has one RFD surge. And
I mean, there's a little bit of structure underneath of it.
Yeah, there is structure. But it is,
lost for words.
I think our intuition was right about it dying. Any time, Garrett, I've seen that like sheared out, shriveled look, it never, unless it has a merger.
Well, let's guys listen to him for a little bit.
It never goes unless it has a merger.
Yeah, I might have to start my own sports podcast.
Oh, yeah.
Josh Page just laughed.
That would be interesting.
They're not known.
I just want to say what's up, Josh. I'm a big fan of the show, so I love Pate State.
Here.
Up.
Roll freights.
Go Tigers.
Yeah, you could.
One that's promising.
Huh?
Roll Tide, roll! I just want to hear. Brad go roll
Pretty good,
Tide, roll.
I got some cinnamon ones too.
Roll Tide, roll.
I mean, Chad's interest. We got an
A new
Ohio State
severe
fan
thunderstorm
and an
warning has
LSU
been
fan
issued.
in the same car.
And then we got
Yeah.
Alabama in a different car, and then yeah, it's like okay.
Pollock Parmesan, pretzels while we're watching.
It's gotta. If it gets, I still think it can get nudged, and the shape is still favorable that it can get nudged and do it.
Let's take a look at the reflectivity.
That cell near Salem really got my attention, headed towards
New
DeSoto.
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has
DeSoto?
been updated.
We're in DeSoto.
But wait, what?
Absolutely.
Oh, he's talking about the one-way south.
New information. This severe thunderstorm
Which one?
warning has been updated.
Oh, the one.
I mean, we can hop south and check that out too. And you know what I mean? Realistically, yeah, we could hop south and.
When you said heading for DeSoto, I'm like, we're in DeSoto.
Yeah, that thing's like an hour away from the DeSoto area.
Yeah, guys, this storm is.
DeSoto to Farmington.
This storm
Village,
is
so, I
officially
mean,
dying.
It's not all by itself, but I mean, it's got a clean inflow to the south, so.
Wait, am I pointed north? What's in front of me?
When in doubt, just go to Jonesboro or Nashville.
That is the.
Big Yell.
That is a good point, Brad. When in doubt, go to Jonesboro. You know what, Garrett? We got on the best tornado warned storm of the day, really. So, I think we did a good job today. No complaints. It's just crazy how our storm just vanished, like with the snap of
It
the
had an
fingers.
incredible structure on it.
It did. It kind of started to vanish
Like
right
it
when we
lost
got
itself.
on a view. So yeah, it's odd. It's like right when we got a view, it just.
Yeah, Chad, you guys saw that Zappy boy, didn't you?
Look at our terrain in front of us, chat. look at what we're with here. And trees.
Anything worth the way it's looking.
We still got an hour left of daylight.
Switch to TAC 1. I think everybody's pretty much gonna be
Attention, a new considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
I'm going south right now, as you speak.
Attention, a new radar indicated
So
tornado
watching
warning
this,
has been
you
issued.
go back to the reflectivity.
I'm gonna hang over here. If you're hanging over here, Storm Runner, it's
This guy that's on the storm right here.
Yeah, we're over here.
Not him, but let me get off of that. Ryan Scholl and
The other one got news for thunderstorm warning for 2-inch hail down south.
I got to talk to this guy. Not to the river. This guy here, Ryan Scholl.
Right, fuck you.
Huh?
Not bad.
Attention, this flash flood warning has
Not
been
bad.
updated.
Look on there.
You can make a good snack
New
for
information,
vacation.
this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
I mean, that might be the whole entire like mesocyclone there, actually. I can't tell. I mean, I can feel like that
Attention,
could
a
be the
new special
case.
weather statement has been issued.
I feel like it's definitely trying
Oh, you
here.
need timber.
Yeah,
No,
that's what
definitely.
Oh, you need timber?
Attention,
We're
a
all
new
over
considerable
Southern
severe
Goodness.
thunderstorm warning has been issued.
It's definitely going to give it a shot here. At least a little bit of a shot.
Could
It
be
might not be
coming
much, but it's going to be something. Wait, when we're scared, we're probably going to pull back to I-55.
He was here in Chester.
What?
Went by, visited Popeye statue.
There might be a torque according to Max. I would not be terribly surprised.
Separate down by the river.
I don't.
And he got
It's a
new
risky
windshield,
move trying to get
yesterday it
closer
was busted out by
right now.
Some very large hail. So
I want to wait. I really
you
want to
know,
wait
I'm
here.
streaming.
Just going that way is not a good idea. At least getting closer right now is not a good idea.
Let's talk to Freddie McKinney, see what he's got. If I can get him.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Still got some rotation with it.
We can get on this other storm about 15 to 30 minutes before dark if we turn around now, I think.
This storm doesn't have a terrible shelf.
I'm gonna go ahead.
Watch it here for a second.
Wow.
Check out the weather real quick.
I don't think the lion's gonna do anything.
Oh, I just said this doesn't have a terrible shelf.
There. The fact that you're saying shelf is terrible in and of itself.
Yeah.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Well, there she is, guys. There's your shelf.
Love you, Dad.
I don't see a CC drop anywhere that was on there.
Mom just called for you.
Well, no, that's not CC. I wonder if it did drop a bird fart.
I think it did briefly. That it looked too good and it wrapped up too fast.
Well, should we go ahead and try to get on this one before it goes
New
to
information,
nighttime?
this severe thunderstorm
Headed
warning
right
has been
towards
updated.
Chalcedonia and Bismarck.
So,
Chalcedonia and Bismarck.
Chalcedonia, we
Attention,
can get to
a new special
Chalcedonia
weather
at
statement has been
7:50.
Yeah.
And there is there
Where
are
they're
fields
at
down
right
there
now,
actually.
guys,
So
is the one that is
Farmington,
showing
I would think so.
a rotation of draft
Yeah, there are
velocity.
some
It's got the word farm in it.
And
So I'm
continue
being
into
inclined to believe.
Attention, a new
Illinois.
special weather
So we got a
statement has
couple
been
guys
issued.
that are over there. So we're staying with
yeah,
this.
I
That's
just
the
don't
best
see any
one.
like mezzo wrapping up. So I wonder if it can't be saved.
That's good for the area of Hillsboro, though.
It is. It is. Well, we still got to view this storm here for a few minutes, guys.
Attention,
Yeah,
a new
this storm
considerable
is the one we
severe
wanted to be on, but
thunderstorm
it is,
warning has been issued.
yeah, it is struggling here. This storm could have, I think that some of these areas
Attention,
are very
a
fortunate.
new severe
because this thing
thunderstorm
could have
warning
went
has
big
been
time.
issued.
I mean, it would be right out my windows where it would be.
Where if it was, yeah.
It'd be right in that area, right where you guys are pointed at.
Hook just dissipated. Yeah. Well, if we end up somewhere down in southeast or south central Missouri, it'll be interesting to see what we end up doing tonight.
I think we'll be going to Little Rock.
Little Rock.
I think that's a smart play.
Just around 8 or 9 is when we should have
We're in
one.
southeast Missouri.
New
There's no point.
information.
There's
This
no
severe
point to drive
thunderstorm
all the way
has been
back.
updated.
Unfortunately.
If tomorrow is North Texas though, or southeast Oklahoma, then I guess it would
So
be
we're up
Maybe
here.
on our. It
better.
could be,
got
I
someone here
guess it'd be
just
better
on
to
the
go
road.
over to Joplin.
it could be on the way to both of them.
Both of them, yeah.
Because you just take 30 down to North Texas.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Is that what I think it is? Big ass hail? No, is that a couple of them? Oh. Could be. Kinda looks like it. Towards the tail end of it too.
Yeah. I'm kind of at the point where we should just go home at this point.
He's like, I've fallen for it 4 times today.
Or we just hang out for a bit and see if this tries to wrap up again.
Let's hang out. Well, I think we kind of gotta hang out there. Let's go park at Love's and play with some baseballs without getting hit with baseballs.
Well, they downgraded the warning too.
For hail, they downgraded it.
Yeah, it's like 1.25 now.
That sucks.
I turned left here, right?
No, just go straight.
Attention, a new tornadic considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been
That guy
issued.
came all the way from South Dakota. Could be worse. Okay. In fairness, we technically came all the way from Dallas.
Yeah, we did.
We came from Arizona. Yeah, but you flew. You got lucky. Yeah, just park under one of these canopies and let it do its thing.
I don't think we're gonna get any hail here.
We might. I mean, it's up to you. No, I think we're definitely getting hit. Alex, don't say that. If he wants to go home, we can go home. Just get your camera out. We're gonna intercept hail.
So Little Rock to Dallas.
Stay
how
tuned
far
for
do
the
you think
hailing.
that is, Karen?
4.
5 hours.
All right,
So,
pick your fighter.
Attention, a new tornadic considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
It is.
And the one near Willow Springs has kind of a
We found it.
seahorse shape, so it really would be that Somerville cell.
We found the train.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Whoa! Perry! Perry! Thank you for the $20 super sticker there. I appreciate you. Jiminy. But I catch the beginning of the train up there. There it is. There she is.
Connor Crow. Headed towards Prairie to Rocher. Back roads.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
I mean, another bolt.
New information.
I don't think this thing's dropping right now, but you never know. More so shelf-like than anything. No. Oh! I don't see it dropping anywhere, that's for sure. I'll turn off the recording. It's gonna do something cool. Yeah, there's no way. No, it's cooked. It's pretty freaking cooked.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Wow, it's throwing some crazy bolts now. You guys right over here. Just because, but yeah, this is not going to do it. That is completely okay.
Mm-hmm.
Where's Jonesboro from here? Not terrible.
You guys are watching this at Ryan Scholl. He was here in Chester a little bit earlier. And got to talk to him on the river.
I feel unsafe here by any means.
Flash flood warning has
There's
been
more
issued.
stuff to the back to it as well. What in the world? Someone...
Well, there's like the storm behind it.
Yeah, is that the storm? It might be, but again, it's like not even really rotating at all. There is a plastic bag right now. Oh, it's not flowing through the wind now. It does not want to start again. Yeah, guys, actually back into the interstate.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
For the car that immediately came around the corner when I took the...
Penguins go.
Wow.
Not wow.
Okay.
Absolutely.
It's just okay.
Nothing. Yeah. Okay.
And yeah, it doesn't seem like a tornado's dropping out of this storm at all.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
What?
It's a fire district. You can't be mad at that.
No.
They
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
But still rather than me inside. We're gonna get back to the interstate here. We'll watch the storm from there.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm
We're
warning
looking
has
about
been issued.
8:30, 9 o'clock.
There you are. Hello, Mr. Interstate. Oh, thank God. I was about to like, what? The southbound ramp's closed? You can't be serious right now. We're good. Pour ourselves in right over here. So we can watch a storm.
Blue back
Yeah, it is blues. It's also snowing. Nah. That's a pretty creepy view here, guys.
Attention. This flash flood warning has been updated.
Yeah, it's not gonna do it here at all.
New information.
What?
This severe
The
thunderstorm
McDonald's
warning has
sign
been
with a
updated.
store behind it.
Stormy at McDonald's.
And I don't know if this cell right here is the one.
To our south.
There's just another chaser that pulled up with us.
Related. It's a dry, warm RFD surge or something like that.
Look at it.
Is it getting worse now?
It's getting well. It looks nice, but what's this merger gonna do?
I blame these in mock.
It either is going to nudge it and strengthen it, or it's just going to turn into a cluster. What about the one to the south of that one?
That's very valid.
Thanks a lot.
Looks like a lot of these
And also,
storms are
Connor,
starting
you were
to merge
trash
together.
talking it so bad. I thought for a second you trash talked it enough into doing something. I guess I wouldn't be shocked if it dropped the bird fart when it really
New
hooked up
information.
like that.
This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Yeah. With me trashing mid setups and weird miracles happening and mesoscale interactions happening to get us good tornadoes.
What you
But
got?
on a setup like today, I
1,
don't even
2,
think
3,
my trash
4,
talking can save us.
5, 6.
It almost did, but yeah, it was just
7, 8,
bad enough.
Storm
Attention. A
chasers
new special weather statement
in
has been issued.
South of
Same
Marion.
these storms down here do. I mean, my plan isn't exactly to chase them. It's just to look at them as I drive by, and if they look good, then follow
Maybe
them.
yeah.
So,
Maybe that's what we should do.
I think so.
I'm surprised. Wait, where do you have us going to?
Getting in front of that storm.
Oh, so we're chasing them.
I figured I thought it looked pretty good, and we're like, hey, let's see what this can do in an hour right before the sun sets and see what it looks like when it gets
The problem is we have 3 cells.
Mm-hmm.
So if we decide to go for the north one, we don't have a chance to get to the southern one.
Oh, we can't. Okay. Let's see.
If we think, but that means that we have to think that the northern one is it.
Well, that northern one's
New
the
information.
closest
This severe
cell to the
thunderstorm warning
wind
has
shear,
been
so
updated.
you'd think that one would have the best shot.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. Attention, a new radar indicated tornado warning has been issued. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued. New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been
You're at
updated.
Fillmore, Bear City. Wrights Corner, Magnolia Corner, Post Oak. You guys are under radar indicated. Tornado watch, ping pong ball size hail. We get up here. 70-mile-an-hour winds up north around Urbana. Rantoul, Thomasboro. You guys are under radar indicated rotation, tornado warning, and quarter size hail. But you got 70-mile-an-hour winds. And this is the line that's coming through. $50 size hail possible with this one. Severe thunderstorm warning. That's the storm we was just watching. To include Waterloo, Burkesville, Tipton, Maystown, Monroe City, Mitchie, Harrisonville, Valmeyer, Fountain View, all you guys under severe thunderstorm warning.
Also, the source in the south are trending out towards Orion.
Connor Crofties and Prairie Rocher, followed by Freddie McKinney.
What is going on there? What's that?
What the hell?
Attention.
Oh my, dude, I can't even like see.
There's a blind spot in my vision.
Dude, what the?
But you don't even need those on. It's still daylight.
Oh, dude, I actually
New information.
I'm looking into
This
the
severe
sun.
thunderstorm warning has
There's a
been
blind
updated.
spot every time I close my eyes.
Attention. A new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Insane.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
I'm sure he's got Starlink, but
Look at these. Oh my gosh. Man, I got them all fenced off. It's huge, became man-made caves.
Just in time for all these trees.
Cool, that's the coolest thing I've seen all
storm's
day.
coming towards us.
I wanna go in.
Coming through Potosi.
Probably blocked off for a reason.
What do you think's in those caves?
Just empty halls of whatever they mined out of them. Somebody should look it up.
I don't want to do that. I'd rather go find out for myself.
Chat, what did they, right on the Mississippi River Valley here, there's a bunch of man-made caves. What were they mining for? Why are the caves there?
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been
Prairie du
issued.
Rocher. Spelled Prairie du Rocher.
There's a bunch of man-made caves with fences blocking you from going in, obviously, because it's, it's probably old and dangerous, but
something in there.
They were doing something.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So I'm relying on the best source possible, you guys in the chat.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
This has to be an old mining town.
New information. This severe
So
thunderstorm
this severe
warning has been
thunderstorm warning
updated.
is just to the east of Chester. Again, is
Brady seems that
Worst size
they're
hail,
mining
tornado
for the
possible, 60 mile an hour winds. So we'll keep an eye on this.
Brady, I thought that was a fantasy book.
Of course. Just of course.
I thought Lord of the Rings was fantasy.
I'm gonna get Brady McKinney on here.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
We're down to just one tornado warning over here near Ramsey in Illinois.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been
Bale City and Bingham. You see the rotation right there, right in this area.
Really? There's 2 R's, yeah.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Yep. Believe it or not.
Okay, hold on.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Forest City. Shoot. I don't think I'd even have enough internet to hold on.
Hang on.
Yeah, I just got to keep going back and
Wow,
forth
there's a big
between,
cave here. What the heck? What is this place? What the? Yeah, look at this. It's like caves and stuff here. Like, what? Well, hold on one second. I gotta stop at one of these caves. What is happening here? Look at this.
Head toward Lakeview Drive.
A second.
The route may be affected by
Tell me that's not scary.
That's not scary.
What the heck is this?
It's just
So you guys watching my screen?
What?
They're near
What
Prairie
is
Brook.
this place? It's like an old coal mine or something?
Bluff Road.
Things are different.
Some weird stuff.
Did you release a new video?
Yeah, I posted it today.
Shoot.
I'm telling you, Dad, I've been busy.
I didn't even know.
Chasing and editing videos.
Share, play, YouTube.
New information.
I've been
This
clocking
severe
in like
thunderstorm
12,
warning has been updated.
12, 14 hours every day, last like 6 days. Just trying to get everything done.
All right, Chad, I think we're back.
A new flash.
So yeah, this is kind of wild stuff here, I'm not gonna lie.
What are you finding?
Should we go in there? Oh, we got these giant caves here. Should we go back and go in? Limestone
New
quarry,
information.
okay.
This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Back.
Some weird stuff, man.
Freaky stuff.
Sort of. All right, I'm gonna meander my way over to 55, and then boom, I'm on my way south.
Wow, there you go.
I'm gonna drive through a lot of flooded roads here and there occasionally.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Okie dokie. Well, Dad, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna get back to Chat and Charlie here.
Okay, sounds good.
But we'll catch you down the road. We'll have to start looking for a hotel probably soon, so.
Sounds good. Oh shoot, what's this?
Alright. I'll catch you in a bit, Dad.
Okay. Alright, talk to you later.
Yep. Alright, bye.
Goodbye.
What an interesting little town here. Any new update on those cells to the southwest?